Now we can see that we can display these objects, okay, these labels, okay. We can also retrieve this information using and click on data labels, more options, data labels. I don't display, or I display again, okay, like this. And I'm gonna, here we are, okay. Then I'm going to check another thing. I'm gonna record again. I'm gonna, for example, select this one and delete, okay. This one, select this one and show and I'll show like this. Stop recording. I'm gonna see. Now I know this. I can do the following. Here, if there is a threshold, I can show this. And here over I can data labels, select. In this case, for example, I want points I data label show value is equal to 1. And here I want this data labels value false, values true. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna now change. Okay, we're gonna see this one. Okay, now I'm going to do this. I'm going to cancel all this and want to add the following: sub show values. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste this here. Dot count. Okay, show values is now, I'm going to add the checkbox here. Here, this one, an ActiveX checkbox. I'm gonna see the properties, check data labels, okay, caption, show or hide values or data labels, okay. View code, here show values, my value as boolean. I'm gonna type here this one. Show values, I'll show you before, is according to the value of this. So this checkbox is true or not. I pass this value to this routine. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna remove this. And you can see here that show and hide values here in this graph. Okay, as simple as that. Date. Okay, we'll see this in the next video.